Actually, আমি এইটো বস্তুটো শুনা আৰু দেখা দুটা বেলেগ বস্তু না আমি যিটো পাইছোঁ ৰিপৰ্টত এতিয়া প্ৰপাৰ ভেৰিফিকেশ্যন হ'লে আমি বুজি পাম ন কাৰণ ফেক্সটো নেদেখি বুজা আৰু দেখা দুটা বেলেগ কথা সেইকাৰণে মই চালোঁ ইনচিডেণ্টটো ক'ত হৈছিল ডেড বডি ক'ত পাইছিল এইখিনি আমি এতিয়া ষ্টকটো ল'লোঁ তাৰপিছত আমি অন দ্য বেচিছ অফ এভিডেঞ্চ সাক্ষীবাদীয়ে কি কয় তাৰপিছত আমি কমপ্লিট ভিজুৱেলাইজ কৰিম পিকচাৰটো এতিয়ালৈকে আমি একো ক'ব পৰা নাই আমি চালোঁ কাৰণ নচোৱাকৈ বস্তুটো বুজি নাপায়
আমি শুনি পাইছোঁ যে আপুনি মানে ছেকেণ্ড পাব্লিক হিয়াৰিংটো কণ্ডাক্ট হ'ব
হ'ব চিয়'ৰ সেইটো কণ্টিনিউ
who will be the invited on the day during the second public hearing?
No, second public hearing, anybody interested who can give a concrete information about the issue before us. Only that person will be invited. No, everybody need not to invite. No? Common people may not have all the say. There's people who are concerned on the issue and has direct knowledge over the issues here. They can be invited, they can make submission, memorandum, etc. Nothing more than that. It is not that every person will have to record their evidence. Okay. So those persons who are directly have a concern about the issue here. So we'll discuss everything. The government has directed us to take stock of every situation, each and every situation. So we'll take stock of which is necessary.
So one last question, ma'am. Actually, according to the land demarcation of 1951, our Assam demarcation is more than from here 1.5 kilometer. But still they are claiming that this is our land. That is the
actually
issue
that is we now decided on the basis of documents, evidence, and all this official records. We cannot say anything now at this stage. We have to verify all the documents, na?
Okay.
Government record and this actual picture, everything. Obviously, record and map will go. Then we decide the issue later on. Not now. I cannot make any concrete opinion at this stage. Okay.